Hello, Slaters. Can someone tell me right now we are in which century? Right, 21st century with advanced technology and all the comforts in our life, like online services, and everything is available at our doorstep. Do you think earlier also, that is, in ancient period, we had all comforts? No, man had to struggle for his existence. So, Slaters, let us go back to the ancient period and know about the different stages of human evolution. The march of civilization. Slaters, do you know human beings have evolved over millions of years? In the beginning, man led a nomadic life, that is, moved from one place to another place in search of food. Basically, man was a hunter. He used to live in caves and ate raw flesh. Slaters, how do you think man used to go for hunting with no tools and implements? Yes, right. Early man made use of stones to kill the animals. Stone was his main tool, rather, the only tool. Hence, prehistoric period is also known as Stone Age. Paleolithical Age 500,000 BC to 10,000 BC. It is a Greek word which means paleo means old and lithical means stone. Thus, this period is known as Old Stone Age. Slaters, during this age, as I told you earlier, he was a nomad and had no knowledge to produce food. He used to only depend on animals and plants. He used to gather food from plants like fruits, vegetables, roots, tubers, etc. and hunt animals. So, we can call him as a food gatherer and hunter. Slaters, as animals migrate, that is, move from one place to another place, man followed the same pattern of migration along with animals. Slaters, this went on for years together. Two important things brought a change in his life. First, he invented how to make tools, and second, the discovery of fire. Initially, man used large stones as tools and weapons, but it was difficult for him to kill the animals, tear the skin, cut the flesh into pieces. He wanted to get rid of this problem. Now, he started making stone tools with flint. Flint means hard, steel grey stone which can be chipped easily. He shaped stone for different needs, for cutting trees, killing and skinning animals, chopping meat, etc. He learned to make different tools and weapons like hammers, axes, scrapers, choppers, etc. This was his first achievement, the first invention. Invention means to create new thing that didn't exist earlier. Slaters, one day while striking two pieces of flint stones at the time of making tools and weapons, accidentally produced a spark, and as the spark fell on dry leaves and dry grass, it burst into flames. Thus, he understood how to make fire. So, my dear Slaters, fire was discovered and it proved very useful. Later on, early man learned the uses of fire and started using it regularly. This is how early man slowly, gradually learned to make his life easy and comfortable. After the two great achievements, there was no end to his progress. He never looked back. One after the other, he started inventing and discovering new things. Children, the next stage of his life was Mesolithical age, 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. This age lasted for a very short period. It was actually a transition period. Transition means the process of change from one form to other. Lifestyle of the people continued to be the same. The new development of this age was stone tools called microliths. Micro means small, liths means stone. They were smaller and sharper than before. Besides stone, animal bones and horns were used to make tools. Early humans made scrapers, borers, hammers, sickles, and arrowheads. The bow and arrow made it easier to hunt fast-moving animals like deer. Hook and baits improved fishing. Slaters, this is how man slowly, step by step, moved towards civilization. Early humans noticed that few animals with mild nature could be tamed easily, like dog, sheep, goats, cows, horses, and camels, which proved to be very useful to them. This is how domestication of animals came into existence.
Dear children, we will cover the topic in the next video session.